My name is Professor Akbar. I am advisor and professor at BIMTECH. I had been for 30 years at IIM Lucknow, including 3 years as managing director at L Incubator, which helps the entrepreneurs to grow their businesses. What is changing in the digital world is technologies like AI, internet, robotics, analytics. So these are actually changing your job profile. The one who are not very acquainted with these technologies will find their task to be suited for physical world, but not for the digital world. We are offering this program on strategic management in digitalized world. This program, I think, can help students to learn more strategic things about organization, which obviously makes contribution to their understanding and support for the organization in which they work, which helps, I think, to retain their jobs and build newer capabilities for progress in these strategy areas. This program is a collaborated program between BIMTECH and ImaginXP. We have top class faculty at BIMTECH. It's one of the leading institutions among the private business schools in India. Has 100 of collaborations. So key idea here is that we develop through this program the strategic thinking among the participants, so they can survive, not only survive the job, but create competitive advantage for themselves as do for their organizations. The pedagogy would include the case analysis, particularly the group-based kind of case analysis. There are going to be some presentation by the students. The highlight of this program in terms of application is the project work, which the group of students will carry out together. After you complete this program, you will have better understanding of the business, you'll have more strategic thinking, you'll have more problem solving skills, which will eventually help you establish yourself as a great leader in the organization. We have integrated the implications of digital ecosystem impact on your strategy, wherein business models will change, your value chain will change, and your value delivery system would change. Strategy is about gaining and sustaining competitive advantage, whereas business model is creating value. And it's a unique program in the sense that it is also, the context is digital context. So which will really help you navigate your future requirement of your jobs. I am directing this program personally, assisted by a group of faculty members from BIMTECH and ImaginXP, and also renowned people from the industry. This program is specially designed for working people who have experience and already working and have less time. So we created some kind of hybrid program, wherein you'll have 2 campus visits to BIMTECH, and the remaining things will be on weekends for 3 hours every day. So you can actually continue with the job as well as continue to learn and get the personalized interactions. The other highlight of the program is the case discussion, which will happen both online and offline, which will help improve your strategic skills, and you'll solve some of the strategic problems, which are real problems. And of course, finally, you'll have a group project which will help you apply all the concepts and theories that have been taught in the class into your real life. After doing this program, you can comfortably move into strategic roles like the strategic HR, strategic finance, strategic business strategy, territory managers, or even human resource managers. Disruptive entrepreneurship also looks into the life cycle stages, which are getting shorter. So how do you go through that life cycle of technology? Life cycle is the major driver. Therefore, the skill set of the entrepreneurs need to undergo change as the organization evolves. The organization will undergo change through lack of structure to highly structured organization. So should entrepreneur continue to manage their businesses, or they hand over it to the professional CEO? Then we look at these 4 stages: the pre-startup stage, the prototype stage where you develop your product and services. Then you scale it up and get into the main market of the business. So we'll study a variety of functional areas that may have impact on the evolution of this organization, and the skill sets would definitely undergo change. So we will teach all this in integrated manner through the life cycle of an enterprise.